Certainly, I'd be delighted to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the captivating world of unique wooden handbags. This extraordinary niche of the fashion industry is a testament to the enduring appeal of natural materials, the ingenuity of designers, and the timeless allure of handcrafted artistry. At the heart of this enchanting realm lies the inherent beauty and versatility of wood. Unlike conventional leather or synthetic materials, wooden handbags offer a wholly distinct aesthetic that is at once rustic and refined, organic and contemporary. The very essence of the material, its distinct grains, rich hues, and tactile qualities, lends each piece a one-of-a-kind character, ensuring that no two wooden handbags are exactly alike. Skilled artisans and innovative designers have long recognized the untapped potential of wood as a medium for fashion accessories, and have been exploring increasingly imaginative ways to harness its unique properties. Gone are the days of simple, utilitarian wooden bags. Today's wooden handbag creations are veritable works of art, blending intricate craftsmanship, ingenious engineering, and a profound respect for the natural world. One of the most captivating aspects of unique wooden handbags is the sheer diversity of design approaches. Some designers opt for a minimalist, pared-down aesthetic, allowing the inherent beauty of the wood to take center stage. These bags might feature clean, geometric shapes, smooth surfaces, and a deliberate absence of embellishment, allowing the material to speak for itself. The result is a timeless, elegant accessory that effortlessly bridges the gap between nature and modern style. In contrast, other designers revel in the opportunity to showcase their virtuosic woodworking skills, crafting wooden handbags that are veritable sculptures in their own right. These meticulously handcrafted pieces might feature intricate carvings, delicate filigree, or even kinetic elements that transform the bag into a mesmerizing, interactive work of art. The attention to detail and the level of craftsmanship required to produce such extraordinary wooden handbags is truly awe-inspiring, and a testament to the enduring passion and skill of these talented artisans. But the innovation in this field extends far beyond mere aesthetics. Designers are also constantly exploring new ways to enhance the functionality and durability of wooden handbags, without compromising their distinctive charm. This might involve the incorporation of specialized hardware, the strategic integration of reinforcing elements, or the development of innovative locking mechanisms that ensure the security and longevity of these precious accessories. Moreover, the growing emphasis on sustainability and environmental consciousness has also had a profound impact on the world of wooden handbags. Many designers are now sourcing their materials from responsibly managed forests, utilizing reclaimed or recycled wood, and employing eco-friendly finishing techniques to minimize their carbon footprint. This commitment to sustainability not only aligns with the inherent nature of the material, but also resonates with a new generation of fashion-forward consumers who are increasingly mindful of the impact of their purchasing decisions. As we look to the future, the potential for continued innovation and artistic exploration in the realm of unique wooden handbags remains vast and enthralling. With the ongoing advancements in woodworking techniques, the incorporation of cutting-edge design principles, and the ever-evolving aesthetic sensibilities of both designers and consumers, the possibilities for this captivating niche of the fashion industry are truly limitless. Whether it's a sleek, minimalist clutch crafted from sustainably sourced walnut, a sculptural tote adorned with intricate hand-carved motifs, or a transformative bag that seamlessly blends wood with other unexpected materials, the world of unique wooden handbags is a testament to the enduring power of natural materials, the boundless creativity of designers, and the timeless allure of handcrafted artistry. One of the most intriguing aspects of wooden handbag design is the sheer diversity of wood species being utilized. While classic hardwoods like oak, walnut, and cherry have long been staples in this domain, designers are increasingly experimenting with a broader range of materials, each with its own distinct visual and tactile qualities. Take, for instance, the growing popularity of exotic wood species like zebra wood, ebony, and bamboo. These unique woods not only offer a striking visual contrast to more conventional choices, but they also bring with them a wealth of inherent properties that designers can leverage. Ebony's deep, almost black hue and exceptional hardness lend an air of refined elegance to handbag designs, while the distinctive striations of zebra wood create a captivating optical effect. bamboo, with its remarkable strength-to-weight ratio and sustainability credentials, has become a darling of eco-conscious designers seeking to push the boundaries of what's possible in wooden fashion accessories. But the innovation in this field extends far beyond the mere selection of wood species. Designers are also exploring innovative techniques for manipulating and transforming the material, unlocking entirely new aesthetic and functional possibilities. One particularly fascinating trend is the use of intricate wood carving and marquetry techniques to create truly breathtaking designs. Skilled artisans are meticulously hand-carving delicate floral motifs, geometric patterns, and even figurative elements directly into the wooden surfaces of handbags, transforming these functional accessories into veritable works of art. The level of detail and precision required to execute such intricate carvings is truly awe-inspiring, and the resulting handbags are often imbued with a sense of timeless elegance and cultural significance. Complementing these virtuosic woodworking techniques, we're also witnessing the rise of innovative lamination and bending processes that allow designers to mold and shape the wood into entirely new forms. By carefully layering and fusing together thin wood veneers, or by applying heat and pressure to bend and contour the material, these artisans are able to create wooden handbags with remarkably fluid, dynamic, and sculptural silhouettes. The interplay of light and shadow across the undulating surfaces of these bags is utterly captivating, blurring the line between fashion and fine art. But the innovation in wooden handbag design doesn't stop at the material itself. Designers are also exploring imaginative ways to integrate other complementary materials, creating truly unique and visually striking hybrid pieces. The juxtaposition of wood with leathers, metals, textiles, and even precious stones can result in handbags that are both aesthetically captivating and functionally innovative. Imagine, for instance, a wooden tote bag with sleek metal hardware, or a clutch that seamlessly blends wood, suede, and hand-hammered copper accents. These material mashups not only contribute to a heightened sense of visual interest but also allow designers to push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of durability, flexibility, and overall user experience. Underpinning all of these creative developments is a deep reverence for the inherent qualities of wood as a material. Designers are constantly finding new ways to highlight the natural beauty, warmth, and tactile appeal of this extraordinary medium, whether through the preservation of the wood's raw, unfinished character or the meticulous application of specialized finishes and treatments. As we look to the future, it's clear that the potential for continued innovation and artistic exploration in the realm of unique wooden handbags remains vast and untapped. With the ongoing advancements in woodworking techniques, the incorporation of cutting-edge design principles, and the ever-evolving aesthetic sensibilities of both creators and consumers, the possibilities for this captivating niche of the fashion industry are truly limitless. Whether it's a sleek, minimalist clutch crafted from sustainably sourced bamboo, a sculptural tote adorned with intricate hand-carved motifs, or a transformative bag that seamlessly blends wood with other unexpected materials, the world of unique wooden handbags is a testament to the enduring power of natural materials, the boundless creativity of designers, and the timeless allure of handcrafted artistry. Thanks for watching.